Hello viewers, I'm Heeral and today I'm going to share a very wonderful and Navratri special recipe with you. Today I'm going to be making pinni with water chestnut flour, also known as Singhaade ka atta. It's very simple. Let's get started. So for this recipe, first turn on the flame and add some desi ghee. Guys, I would recommend you to use desi ghee only. Once the ghee is nicely melted, add your flour to the desi ghee. Mix your atta with the melted ghee really nicely, and we want a flowy consistency. We don't want the binding consistency like a dough. If needed, you can add some more desi ghee as well. There are a lot of health benefits of Singhara, as if I name some, then it would be it's beneficial for hair, improves the blood, relieves cough, treats urine infection, cures jaundice, helps to combat hypertension, cures indigestion, has antioxidants property. As you can see, I have made a very nice and flowy consistency of the mixture by adding some more ghee into it. Once this is done, we need to add some gond into it. Gond is nothing but edible gum. It is a raisin from a tree which is edible. It's really good for our health as well. The gond will start puffing up as you'll add it into the mixture. That's absolutely fine, and that's what we are looking for. Keep mixing the mixture, and let me tell you the health benefits of gond. It boosts up stamina in the body and keeps us away from falling sick due to cold and cough. It is also known to treat low vitamin D level in the body. Turn off the flame and keep mixing the mixture for few more minutes. Then add some caster sugar. You can also use superfine sugar or powdered sugar or icing sugar in this recipe and mix this well in the mixture. To add some more flavor to our recipe, I am adding some crushed cardamom powder. It will give a really nice taste and smell. If you want, you can add some desiccated coconut or your favorite dry fruits in the recipe. For example, you can add almonds, walnuts, or raisins as well. Now, once it's done, I'm going to serve it in a bowl and going to garnish it with some slices of coconut. It's smelling amazing and would taste even more amazing. For more such quick and easy and healthy recipe, do subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.